Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kakunhun Menteri Sorkar kalau menjur ban khangno ya jing pelut pisah nak skim subhagia badga Din Dayal Upadhyaya Gram Jyoti Yojana hadien baka Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited kala pha ya ka kai phot jongka bad kala hukum ru ban Pynshitom ya ki kontraktor ki bemshimla Pyndep ya ka kam kabasan pusau lak Tyngka. Kajing menteri kam ya kani ka skim ka batmu ban penpoi boarding sya ki yeng ki sem jong ki brio kala sakut nakadau bakadang ya ka jing tokit. Menteri rangba ka jelau Konrad ke sang mau laong ba laisnem la pha ya ka kai port sya ka Rural Electrification Corporation bat sya ka Sorkar India hendrai la batha ya ka MPDCL bakan tokit biang namar ba ka don ka jing ujor bagi Khlem Pyndep ya ka kam hakikat tu ka ni jaka. Menteri rangba laong ba hadien bala tokit benia lalap banaka khandai pun riu klur Tyngka san pusau lak Tyngka ka de ka kam ka bemshim lala ban Pyndep. Ulaong bak Sorkar kala rai ru bakan nom siu setia nak bentak ka kam ka bampat dep.
The proposal for approval of the cabinet for financial closure of the Sobhagya DDU GJY additional infra schemes based on final verification report submitted by MEPDCL. So as you're aware that we had already submitted the physical closure report of these schemes to REC and to the respective agencies and departments in central government. But in certain cases, because of the pending inquiry and also because of the aspect of verification which we would want to do from our side, there was a slight delay, and ultimately the verifications have been done at different levels by the MEPDCL, and after conducting multiple verifications, they have come out with a final report, and in that final report, the MEPDCL and the Power Department have submitted that to the government. We have accepted that report today, and we have approved the financial closure of the Sobhagya DDUGJY and the additional infra schemes. So basically, the physical completion or the physical closure report had gone to REC about 3 years back. But after that phase, the MEPDCL was still asked to do a verification on basis of different complaints that kept coming to us that certain places the work was not done, was not completed. And though the physical closure was done, we decided that we should do a further verification to be sure from our side. And we did that verification, and the reports came in, and the director technicals of the three different branches or companies of the MEPDCL, they sat and had multiple meetings, and ultimately the report was submitted to us that out of the work that was at question, about 96 crores of work was being verified. The committee and the MEPDCL has submitted a report today to us that after multiple verifications, they have found that 54 lakhs of work has not been completed out of the 96 crores. Out of that, the rest has been completed. So about 30 to 40 villages are there. I don't have the names of the villages. So based on that, we have accepted that financial closure report from the MEPDCL and asked or given the permission today to MEPDCL to go ahead with the financial closure based on this report that about 54 lakhs of work was not complete, which means that the payment for those 54 lakhs will not be done, and the rest of the work where the work has been completed, verification has been done, necessary payments be released. The contractors will be, of course, taken to task. So wherever in the sense that the payments will not be made to them. RDSS scheme from Government of India that has come, which is meant to close all the villages and houses which are not electrified till now. And this scheme has been approved by Government of India. So once this is executed, we are hopeful that we'll be able to cover most of the villages and houses.
By when, sir?
I don't have that number with me because it's a new question you asked me, in the sense that RDSS scheme is, the details are different. So this is an old scheme. The one you asked me is a new scheme. So I'll require notice.